There we go. Hey guys, it's your girl Snaccksize back with another video, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing. So this is how my box came. It's plain. I'm so excited. Whoop whoop. Hello, Summer. Hold on, I got a guest. Come. I got a special guest. Say hi to them. This is Summer. She just wanted to stop by and say hi and see what's in my box. So I found this lady on TikTok, right? And she's selling pre-owned bags. Her company is called Melissa Loves Bags. And this is how the box comes. Yeah, this is how the box comes. I thought my address was showing. She gives you face masks. Oops, let me move closer. This is the bag, how it comes. It's wrapped. I think it has bubble wrap on it. Bubble wrapped. Can you guys guess which bag it is by the shape of it? Comment down below. Let's open it. Oop, oop, oop. Oop, oop. Ow! My dog is scratching the crap out of me. So here's the dust bag. Okay, YSL. And this is the bag. It's so cute. It's called a YSL Saint Laurent Croc chain on the wallet. She left her little tag, so just in case I want to return it. It's brand new. It has tags on it. This is how much it's going for in the stores. Literally brand new. It has the wallet, you know, the little credit cards. Ooh, I don't think you guys can see that. Credit cards. It smells brand new. Then you can put your little change. Then there's the certificate. I'm 5 feet, so this is. Oops. Hold on. Oops, sorry, Summer. This is where it stops at. It's super cute. Like, I love it. And it could be a crossbody. Okay. So check her out if you love pre-owned bags. She's amazing. She talks about the history. She tells you like what to buy, what's in style, what's popular to buy, what bags you can invest in. And I just thought this bag was super cute, so I bought it. And I wanted to unbox it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that I got the bag for $1,400. I believe it was $1,400, around $1,400. Free shipping for the bag, and it also comes with. Not only does it come with the original certificate, but it also comes with her certificate. So she authenticates it from a third party, and she sends that piece of paper to us in the box. So go check her out. MelissaLovesBags.com. Melissa Loves Bags on TikTok. And I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below which YSL bag is your favorite. Which YSL bag do you own? And I'll see you guys in the next video.